Hello there.
Hey, people, Kiara here from MyDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, I'm only going to be using one account to kind of emulate what starter people would see initially, all right? So, this is day, I want to say 17, maybe 18, I'm not entirely sure, and we're going to continue on for that. But before that, I want to talk about why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one business. A funnel builder, which is what every online business needs a funnel builder to really get started to make money and collect emails and so on and so forth, right? That's what you need to try to make money in general. Affiliate commissions is really good, so you make 80% commissions from every sale. So somebody spend $25, you get $20 of it. Somebody spend $125, you get $100 of it. Somebody spend $500, you get $400 of it. Somebody spends $1,000, you get $800 of it. You know what I mean? So it works like that. And honestly, this is the best system I've seen. You only really need about 2 people to start making a ton of money in the system, like locked in the system. And yeah, that's all there is to it, guys. And the more people get locked in, the better you'll do. So anyway, let's check our results here. Now it looks like, let's see here, yesterday, okay, we were at 60. We were at 20 yesterday, last time we checked. I mean, we got 2 sales, but let's refresh it real quick just to make. Yes, indeed. We got 2 sales yesterday, which is actually kind of crazy, guys. That's some pretty nice results there. Which is like $40 yesterday and another $40 the day before. And if they stay in the system, it's gonna be a solid $80 every month. All right, so let's keep it moving. Just from this alone. All right, so we're gonna go and send an email using My Lead Gen Secrets here. Okay, and there we go. That, and we're gonna use the same email we used in the last 2 days since we got sales with this email. This email seems to work well for me. This is an email I created, but it seems to do really well for me for some reason. So we're gonna keep on sending this email here. The last 2 days I sent this email, guys. On my last 2 videos I sent this email. So I wanna do that again. Alright, so we're gonna just send the email right here. Boom. Just like that, guys. It's so simple. Make sure you click on perfect timing and also make sure your link works. It's super important to check and see if your link works. Since I'm sending the same email I'm sending 2 days, I don't gotta check it, but if you're writing the email, you need to check and see if the link works, because that's super important. There's no point if you don't. Anyway, make sure to click on perfect timing. What perfect timing does, send an email around the time people like to check their emails. So it's very, very important and very, very useful. You know what I mean? And for some reason, this email here, written just like this, seems like it does pretty well with this product on My Lead Gen Secrets here. Yeah. So that's all there is to it, guys. You see, like, this process. Now, if you were to write this email, it'd probably take you a little longer, but this process, once you get the emails in there, only take about 4 or 5 minutes every day. In the morning, maybe you can knock it out as soon as you wake up, like I'm doing now. Another thing you could do is record yourself doing it like I'm doing, and like just try it with, like, say, videos every day like I'm doing here, a challenge and stuff. Put a little some clickbait type thumbnail or something like that, something that really catch your eye, and then do the same thing I'm doing in general, and you can get more sales that way, which is a really cool idea as well. It don't take that much to do this stuff, guys. Making this video is very easy to do. I do a little bit of editing. And I'm done. All right, I do a little bit of editing, I create the thumbnail, and that's it, right? And the thumbnail, once you created it, like the first time, all I really do is just change the number and picture. That's about it. All right, guys. That's all I wanted to tell you guys. I'm just trying to get you guys to get started making money online so you don't have to, just some extra income at least, and eventually get to the point where it's your major income. All right, guys, the links are in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.